What is up, YouTube? It is your boy A1 from Dadvibes, and we coming at you with another video. And today we getting into our calipers. We're doing a little touch-up paint on our calipers. We're gonna go ahead and tape everything off. We're gonna put some high gloss caliper paint on it, and then we're gonna go back over with some clear. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so first of all, I got some clear tape, some easy tape that'll peel on and peel off real quick. I went ahead and taped off everywhere I could to prevent the paint from getting on the rotors. That'll make your job look clean and professional.
You guys got paint everywhere downstairs.
Yep. Clean off your rotors, but right here on the gray area, it'll still remain royal blue, and to me, that looks a bit tacky, especially when you got some bigger rims. All right, so then I went ahead and taped everything off everywhere in the back, anything I could, even right here, to prevent the paint from staying on there. And I went ahead and laid my first coat down of this caliper paint. I laid 3-4 of these coats down, pretty thick, and then I come back about 30 minutes later and lay down about 2 or 3 of these, and then let it dry completely overnight. Let's go. All right, guys, this is me going ahead and putting on that second coat of high gloss caliper paint. I went ahead and put a blue towel over the car just to prevent any overspray happening on my car. I hate for that to happen. All right, so make sure you do light coats. Make sure you move your hand in motion. Make sure you don't leave your hand in one spot, and that will prevent you from having any runs or any buildup of paint that you don't want. Remember, you want to make this look as professional as possible. Keep your hand moving side to side. Just hit it nice and light. Don't miss nothing.
Hey, that's what she said.
That's it. Run to the next side.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, lastly, we're gonna go ahead and get this wheel paint gloss clear, and we're gonna lay about 3 coats of this down. I lay about 4 coats of the high gloss blue, so I let that dry. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the gloss. And again, this is, you're gonna do lightly. You're gonna do light sprays over it, you know. Make sure you don't leave it standing in one spot for too long, because that's what creates the runs, and you don't want no runs or doing.
Who the hell cares?
It just looks a little unprofessional in my opinion. So let's get to it. All right, guys, last thing to do is go ahead and peel. Peel like you ain't never peeled before.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Peel all the tape off. And let's look at the finished product. Pretty good, must I say so myself. All right, guys, that's the finished product. Looking pretty good behind that rim. No paint on the rotors. You know, you try to make it look as professional as possible. Looks pretty good, must I say. Once we get it all cleaned up, throw some armor on the tires, it's gonna look A1 okay. So once again, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace!